Hello, thank you for giving me this opportunity, Mr. Rashed Albihery. I'm Mohammed Ali from TTW company. I want to ask you some question. The first question, how is the Global Airport Forum 2025 progressing?
Thank you, Mohammed, for having me. It's an honor. My name is Rashed Albihery. I'm the marketing and PR manager at Samana Special Mission. The forum has been fantastic. This is our second year participating. Last year we've had a lot of MOUs signed and announcements. This year has been successful. It's double the capacity, double the space. We also have a bigger booth, and it's been a great experience.
Okay. Can you share with us about your product and service?
What we do is flight inspection. It's a very niche and technical segment in the aviation industry. So basically, in short, every runway of every airport requires navigational aids for the landing and takeoff assistance for all aircrafts. What we do is we calibrate and inspect all navigational aids using our aircraft and our flight inspection system to make sure the calibrations are done and meeting international standards.
Okay. What are your plans to make this technology benchmark in travel industry?
So there's a big growth in aviation right now in the Middle East and the GCC specifically, with King Salman Airport, for example, having around 6 runways. So it's going to be a transformational hub and a transit hub, and also a world-facing venue for people, as it will have social communities, massive economic opportunities there. So our presence would enable the air traffic to be smooth and safe.
Okay. How's the technology contributing to promoting sustainability and the greener planet for this future?
This year, 2025, was the year where we introduced the world's first flight inspection and ground inspection drone, the Aeroface Flybot, done in collaboration with a German company called Aerodata. They are the same manufacturer for our flight inspection system on the aircraft. This is a miniature version to try and reduce costs for any kind of calibration required, minimal calibration required. Instead of mobilizing an aircraft, we can now mobilize a drone for a fraction of the cost. Additionally, from a sustainability point of view, this would avoid all the emissions of using an aircraft. It would simply be a drone flying.
Okay. What challenge have you faced in developing and implementing your travel technology solution, and how have you overcome it?
I think the biggest challenge with utilizing a drone is the security aspect, especially in our field, where the drones are not simply a drone that is flown. They have sensors, they have radars, they have transmitters, so that is very sensitive from a security point of view for all airports and most of the aviation industry. However, given our close relationship with the authorities, we have managed to tackle these issues or these security worries by training our team in Germany, as well as getting them licensed from Dubai, as well as from GAF in Saudi Arabia. So all our operation is now approved and supported by the authority in Saudi. Given our consistent relationship over 15 years of doing the flight inspection for every single airport in Saudi, as well as most of the GCC, in addition to the military bases in the GCC.
Okay, the last question, how many events or presentation have you secured in upcoming years?
So let's talk about 2026, since it's right around the corner. We have IFIS, which is the International Flight Inspection Symposium, happening in Salvador in May. We will be participating there. We have next year's World Global 2026
yeah.
Global Airports Expo. We're also going to be participating. We've already committed our booth and we've chosen our spot. So these are the two for now. The year 2027 is going to be our participation in Dubai Air Show. So on average, we go 2 to 3 events a year.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rashed Albihery. The pleasure to me with this interview with you. Thank you.
Pleasure is
Thank you.
mine. Thank you.